Everybody, so the Speedy Shooter here with video response for the range time Cory Erika skills challenge. Last I saw Cory was 2.04 seconds. I apologize, today I am shooting open gun because I'm getting ready for a big match, but at short distance like this open gun only helps a very little bit, but we'll come back and try production gun next time, but either way is indication of skill. So let's see what happens. Okay, let's go. Okay, looks like all of hits are in. One is very close to line, but we will show 1.66 seconds. And now we'll go look at targets. Pick up camera. Sorry for shaking. 2 hits in circle. 2 hits in circle. 2 hits in circle. Okay, so with open gun is like 4/10 faster, no problem. I could go a little bit faster, but would be wild. So next we'll come back with production gun, maybe in week or two. Good luck, good shooting, goodbye.